Once upon a time, in the flourishing kingdom of Eldoria, there was a young and compassionate king named Alexander, affectionately known as Alex. His ascension to the throne came unexpectedly after the sudden demise of his father, King Edmund. Despite his youth, Alex displayed wisdom beyond his years. Eldoria was renowned for its breathtaking landscapes, from rolling hills adorned with vibrant wildflowers to ancient forests that whispered tales of bygone eras. The kingdom prospered under King Alex's benevolent rule, and his people adored him for his fair judgments and caring heart. One day, as the golden sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the castle, King Alex found himself drawn to the balcony overlooking the vast kingdom. The soft breeze carried the sweet scent of blossoms, and the distant sounds of laughter and music echoed from the streets below. In the courtyard, a festival was in full swing, celebrating the unity and prosperity of Eldoria. Intrigued, King Alex descended to join the revelry, shedding the weight of his royal responsibilities for a brief moment. Among the jubilant crowd, he encountered a talented minstrel named Lila, whose melodic voice enchanted all who listened. Captivated by Lila's artistry, King Alex invited her to perform in the castle, recognizing the power of music to unite hearts. As the melodies resonated through the grand halls, the young king and the minstrel formed an unexpected bond. Their friendship blossomed, transcending the boundaries of status and tradition. As time passed, King Alex faced challenges that tested his resolve. Eldoria's neighboring kingdom, Varathia, harbored intentions of expansion, threatening the peace that had long graced the lands. With wisdom and diplomacy, Alex sought to avert conflict, engaging in tense negotiations to secure a peaceful resolution. In the midst of diplomatic intricacies, Lila stood by King Alex's side, offering solace and encouragement. Her unwavering support became a source of strength for the young ruler, reminding him of the importance of compassion in leadership. The fateful day of the peace treaty arrived, and Eldoria and Varathia gathered in the neutral grounds. Tensions lingered in the air, but King Alex, guided by his convictions, delivered a heartfelt speech that resonated with both kingdoms. His words transcended borders, fostering understanding and paving the way for a new era of harmony. As the sun set on the horizon, marking the beginning of a united future, King Alex and Lila stood together, gazing at the merging colors of twilight. The people of Eldoria celebrated not only the avoidance of war but also the triumph of empathy and understanding. King Alex's reign continued to be marked by compassion, wisdom, and a commitment to unity. Lila's songs echoed through the kingdom, weaving tales of a young king who led with his heart, inspiring generations to come. In the annals of Eldoria's history, the tale of King Alex and his unlikely friendship with a minstrel became a cherished legend, a testament to the transformative power of kindness and leadership. As Eldoria flourished under King Alex's reign, the young monarch became known not only for his diplomatic prowess but also for his innovative initiatives. Inspired by the spirit of progress, he established a royal academy to nurture the talents of the kingdom's youth, ensuring that Eldoria would continue to thrive in the ever-changing world. Within the walls of the academy, scholars and artisans collaborated on groundbreaking projects that pushed the boundaries of knowledge and creativity. King Alex's commitment to education and the arts forged a legacy that would endure for centuries, leaving an indelible mark on Eldoria's cultural landscape. Meanwhile, Lila's influence extended beyond the castle walls. She became a cultural ambassador, using her musical gifts to bridge gaps between kingdoms. Through her enchanting performances, she conveyed the beauty of unity and shared humanity, leaving audiences spellbound wherever she traveled. King Alex and Lila's friendship deepened as they shared in the joys and challenges of leadership. In the quiet moments, they would stroll through Eldoria's blooming gardens, exchanging stories and dreams for the future. The people of Eldoria admired not only the wisdom of their young king but also the genuine camaraderie he shared with the minstrel who had captured his heart. As years passed, Eldoria's prosperity became a beacon of hope for neighboring realms. King Alex, now a symbol of enlightened leadership, hosted diplomatic gatherings and cultural exchanges that strengthened alliances and fostered mutual understanding. His kingdom became a haven for scholars, artists, and thinkers from far and wide. Yet, amidst the splendor of his rule, challenges arose that tested King Alex's resilience. A mysterious illness swept through the land, affecting both commoners and nobility. The young king, fueled by empathy, worked tirelessly to find a cure, rallying the kingdom's best minds for a solution. Lila's songs provided solace to those suffering, offering a balm for wounded souls. In the face of adversity, Eldoria's unity shone brighter than ever. The people, inspired by their king's unwavering dedication, stood together in solidarity. Miraculously, a breakthrough emerged from the collaborative efforts of the Royal Academy, and a cure was found. Eldoria emerged from the trial stronger and more united than before, a testament to the resilience of its people and the compassionate leadership of King Alex. As the years unfolded, King Alex and Lila witnessed the fruits of their endeavors. Eldoria became a beacon of enlightenment and prosperity, its influence reaching far beyond its borders. The once young king, now seasoned and wise, continued to lead with humility and vision, leaving an enduring legacy for generations to come. And so, the tale of King Alex and the minstrel Lila became a cherished saga, recounted by bards and scholars alike. Their story echoed through the halls of Eldoria, a timeless reminder of the transformative power of compassion, unity, and the enduring bond between a young king and his loyal friend. As the years passed, King Alex's reign continued to evolve, marked by a series of grand celebrations and monumental achievements. The annual Unity Festival became a tradition in Eldoria, bringing together people from all walks of life to celebrate the diversity that made their kingdom strong. The streets filled with laughter, colorful banners fluttered in the breeze, and the air was filled with the aroma of delicacies from every corner of the realm. King Alex, with Lila by his side, embarked on visionary projects to ensure the sustainability of Eldoria. They championed environmental initiatives, planting vast orchards and implementing policies to protect the kingdom's natural resources. The once barren landscapes blossomed into vibrant gardens, and Eldoria became a shining example of harmony between nature and civilization. In the midst of these accomplishments, King Alex faced personal challenges as well. The weight of leadership took its toll, and there were moments when the crown felt heavy upon his brow. Lila, always attuned to his emotions, offered unwavering support, reminding him of the importance of balance and self-care. In a surprising turn of events, Eldoria received an invitation to a grand international summit, where leaders from distant lands sought King Alex's guidance on matters of governance and diplomacy. The young king, humbled by the recognition, approached the summit with the same humility and wisdom that had defined his rule. As Eldoria's influence expanded, so did the love story between King Alex and Lila. Their bond deepened into a profound companionship that transcended the passage of time. The people of Eldoria admired not only the strength of their ruler but also the enduring love that fueled his commitment to their well-being. In the later years of King Alex's reign, the kingdom faced a cosmic phenomenon, a rare celestial event that captivated the hearts of the people. The Night of Celestial Unity, as it was named, brought a breathtaking display of shooting stars that painted the night sky. King Alex, guided by a sense of wonder and a desire to connect with his people, declared the night a kingdom-wide celebration. Eldorians gathered in awe as the heavens lit up with a celestial dance. King Alex and Lila stood on the balcony of the castle, their silhouettes framed by the radiant sky. The Night of Celestial Unity became an annual tradition, symbolizing the enduring spirit of collaboration, hope, and the interconnectedness of all living things. As King Alex approached the twilight of his reign, he reflected on the journey that had brought Eldoria to such heights. The once young monarch, now a venerable leader, passed on the crown with a sense of fulfillment, knowing that he had laid the foundation for a legacy that would endure for generations. King Alex's tale, intertwined with the melodies of Lila's songs, became an integral part of Eldoria's identity. Statues and paintings immortalized their story, and the annual Unity Festival served as a vibrant reminder of the kingdom's enduring values. And so, the legacy of King Alex and Lila lived on, a tale of love, leadership, and the boundless potential that lies within the human spirit. Eldoria, under the watchful gaze of its new ruler, continued to flourish, guided by the timeless principles that had shaped its destiny.